All right, what's up, guys and gals? Anthony here with Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to talk about light sweet crude oil, my favorite market to trade, in fact. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about what the profit pack offered. Let's talk about what the live trade room offered, and hopefully you didn't miss out on any of it because it was a phenomenal move, right? I mean, that's what we're looking for. We got to wait for price to get some momentum. Got to find a low risk area, got to get into the market, got to take some profit, pay ourselves, protect ourselves, let life carry on. So if you were in it to win it in the profit pack early this morning around 8 o'clock, fantastic, okay? Had a perfect little trend change, set a lower high, little correction here, big impulse, correction, big impulse, minor correction, just kept pushing till we ran out of steam. Ran some 264 ticks from trigger to where we ultimately found a bottom. Okay? So, very simple 5 steps. Trend change, correction through the profit band, trigger candle prints, enter the market, place your stop right above the trigger candle or below it, depending on the direction you're trading. Take your profit as you desire. I do also include, for those of you who want to learn how to advance your stop using the profit pack, I give you a video on that as well. So very simple, very cut and dry. It's probably the most simplistic way you will ever trade is using the profit pack. Now, say you weren't ready to trade at 8 o'clock this morning. Say you missed it, or say, hey, listen, I used the profit pack to confirm my technical entries. No problem. We got you. So in the daily live trade room, right here, let's talk about it. Market's kind of chopping around, looking pretty crummy, right? Well, guess what happens? Market starts to break. We check all the boxes right here on our trade plan before the opening bell. So we get a little mid-trend correction, 21.13.8 EMA all on sync, MACD pushing, signal line leading, 15-minute bias is short. We know that from this breakdown, we have a shot to this channel line that I had drawn for some quick profits, and that's what that's what happened here. About 50 ticks real quick, okay? Caught that piece, boom, you're in it, you're out of it. You take some profit here, you move your stop to break even. It didn't follow through, no big deal, crap happens. You get stopped out over here, you step off to the sidelines. You had a chance to capture 50 ticks of profit, low risk, high probability. I identified it in real time and said, hey, we've checked all the boxes. Here's the correction. Here's the breakdown. It's your turn to decide to do what you like with it. If you're ready to get in the market, we're favoring the profit pack. Here you go. Here's a trade setup. Okay? Whatever you do with it, ultimately up to you. I can't tell you what to do, but I can tell you what the market's doing or what I believe the market's going to do. So here we go. 50 ticks, no big deal. Got stopped out on the balance. Whatever. Life goes on. Opening bell hits, market gets choppy again, looks like crapola, okay? Crapola cleans up, breaks down through the opening range, through this prior low, through this daily pivot. Now, if you felt comfortable entering here, that's fine. I look for a pullback. I want to find some area that is definable support so that when price breaks it, I know that I have a great chance of entering a trade and letting it do what I want to do. Well, that's what I did. I waited for this little 3-candle pullback. This bar closed below. And what I did was I want to enter the trade where I knew that there was previously some form of support, which should now be some form of resistance. So I went off of the low of this candle. This candle pulled right back up to it, retested it. So I entered this trade with some price improvement. The market sells off into another channel line that I had in place. You could see that price consolidated 2 candles here before breaking. I took some profit here. I took some more profit as I approached the daily and weekly pivot, which were only a little bit apart. And then I took the balance of my trade right here. I shouldn't say the balance. I took the last third. I took the last quarter off, and I left 25% on to see if the market was going to keep running. Well, it did. It double bottomed here. It pulled back, and you can see we're starting to break and starting to move higher from here. So once this double bottom failed, I just exited the balance of my trade because I realized that, hey, if we're not able to successfully flow through here, no big deal. Had a huge run right here. very calculated, very easy to identify. So guys, whether you're using the profit pack all on your own or you're using the profit pack to confirm your trades on the technical chart or you're using the technicals to confirm your profit pack entries, I don't know what you're doing. I don't care what you're doing, but you're probably not doing as well as you could be. And that's what I care about. I care that you could be doing better. You could be doing better by owning the profit pack and having it as a tool, using it solely, using it in conjunction with whatever else you're doing. Whatever you choose to do, ultimately up to you. If you want access to the daily live trade room, guys, you can trade live with me and I will tell you what's happening in the market, when it's happening, and what's likely to happen next in real time, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. I will leave you my analysis to use for no additional charge and my order flow to use at no additional charge until the closing bell every single day of the week. That's right. I'm doing all the hard work, and you get to sit there and print profits. Okay? So the next step is yours to take. There's some links below this video, some links in this email, wherever you may be seeing this. Guys, if you want the technology by itself, great. If you want the trade room by itself, great. If you want both, great. I don't know what you're doing, but if you're trading the NASDAQ, the S&P, crude oil, or gold, I can assure you that my technology can help you. I can assure you that my live trade room and analysis, technical analysis, can help you. It's that simple. So if you want it, let me know. We'll work something out. I'll get you up and running. It takes less than 24 hours to populate everything you need. The next step is yours. Again, follow some links below. Check things out. Guys, you don't want to miss opportunities like this. I mean, this top to bottom is $2,600. Okay? I'm sure you didn't catch it all. But even if you came in and said, I'm going to sell some more of my position when I retest this prior low, like you caught the bottom. You missed like 4 or 5 ticks. Okay? So, guys, again, it comes to a decision. Are you going to do something to improve your trading? Or are you going to bitch and moan that I didn't make any money today? I missed the opportunity. Guys, that is not a solution. That's an excuse. We like solutions. I've created solutions to help traders take their game to the next level. So, again, you're up. Links are below the video. I look forward to talking to you. Send me an email. Happy to have a chat. I will build you a custom package that fits your personal needs. Guys, it's really that simple. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.